What's the meaning of axiom? Axiom. Axiom.
Axiom. Axiom. An axiom is a statement or proposition that is considered to be self-evidently true and serves as a starting point for further reasoning or arguments. It is a fundamental principle that cannot be deduced from any other proposition or statement. Axioms are used in mathematics, philosophy, and logic to prove theorems and establish logical systems. They are essential in constructing new knowledge from existing knowledge and are regarded as the foundation of various branches of study. Overall, an axiom is a basic, unprovable assumption that is accepted as true and used to build logical structures.